Here we have a 2003 Hurricane 201 GS Fun Deck. It's a 20-foot deck boat. Does have a Mercruiser 5.0 in it. Skegs all there. A couple dings in the prop. Has a bimini top, full cover that are in very good condition. They look fairly new to me. Walk-through transom. L-shaped seating in the back. Double captain's chair. Does have an hour meter, 230 hours. Hummingbird 570. Stereo. Sink. Walk through on the side as well as the front. There are ladders in the front and the side. Snapping carpet. Does have a live well here if you want to fish. Really nice little boat. Does not have a trailer title. It was previously kept in Wisconsin, but you can see me on how to get one. Check this one out at SkipperBud's.